Hi, my name is Dr. Rhodah Changwe. I hold a Bachelor's of Medicine and of Surgery degree. I am clinical assistant here at Texila American University. Just from the term itself, clinical, it means I deal with clinical students who are in Year 3, Year 4, and Year 5. Medicine at Texila is a 6-year program, with first year being a Health Professions Foundation program, HPFP, which is basically A-levels, and 5 years of MBChB, 2 years of preclinical, and 3 years of clinical practice. I deal with students in their clinical years. What does a typical day for me look like? My day begins at 8. And when I come in, the first thing I do is communicate with student representatives and ask them if they faced any challenges the previous day, check their attendance, if there are any issues, sort them out, and consult my superior, who's the Dean School of Medicine, Dr. Singh, and also just liaise with the different consultants who are in charge of the students. And yeah, the day goes on. Clinical rotations are the core of medicine, and clinical rotations are important, especially for MBChB students, because they get to gain the skills that are needed for them to attend to patients when they become doctors after they graduate. So it's important for students to undergo these clinical rotations so that they can get the knowledge and the skills from people that are experienced, and they can become better doctors. To ensure that our students are well prepared for clinical rotations, we have courses in MBChB of Year 2, such as clinical skills and methods and clinical correlations, which expose students to skills that they may find in different departments on the ward. Aside from that, we have dry labs as well as the dissecting room that helps students learn about the human body. We also arrange for tours and on-campus orientation, where students go to hospitals and just interact with their seniors and just get a feel of the hospital setup before they go for clinical rotations. Our students rotate at the University Teaching Hospital and Levy Mwanawasa University Teaching Hospital, and so far so good. We have positive feedback from our students. The feedback we get is that consultants are always eager to teach. They allow them to perform certain procedures, of course under supervision, and yeah, so far so good. As we may all know, the University Teaching Hospital and the Levy Mwanawasa University Teaching Hospital are referral hospitals, and by that I mean that they receive patients from other hospitals that may not be managed, and thus our students are exposed to various management of medical conditions. And aside from that, they are exposed to different procedures because these hospitals have a lot of specialist doctors, and so they get multiple skills by learning from them. Another thing is that these hospitals have various medical equipments, and so they learn how to operate the medical equipment that is found in these hospitals. So it is a good experience for the students, for our students, that they get to have their clinical rotations there. Most memorable moment for me was when I was doing a hospital visitation at one time. My students didn't even know that I was going to show up at the hospital that day, and it's such a moment I'll never forget. I go to the hospital and I see my students involved in various procedures, which just told me to say we are really doing something in order to produce the qualified medical doctors that we need in this country, because our students rotations were hands-on. They were, walking around, helping out the nursing staff, the doctors, and everyone else. And yeah, that's a good memory for me. I would encourage you to study medicine because currently the doctor-to-patient ratio in this country is quite high. I would encourage you to study medicine so that you can contribute to the aspect of saving lives. And not only that, medicine is a career choice, is a career that teaches you on humility. It teaches you so many things. You get to learn a lot of things from patients, and also you get to treat people the same regardless of where they come from. So I would encourage all the school leavers that are thinking of what to do to take up medicine as a choice of career. Every career has its own challenges, and when I get to share my own experience from medical school with my students, they get encouraged. They tend to focus even more, and they forge ahead in becoming the good doctors that they should be. And so that's what motivates me, to get to share snippets of what I have learned throughout my education, and to just encourage them even more. That is motivating for me. Texila American University has such a diverse culture when it comes to student populace, and by that I mean we have students from different countries, and so far we haven't had any complaints from students who are currently rotating on the wards. The students have given positive feedback so far. They are treated with respect, and they are treated equally just as the locals. Okay, that's it about clinical rotations here at Texila American University. We look forward to receiving you.